Hello everyone and welcome back to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other. And and today we're going to be talking about Twitch highlights. So what is Twitch highlights? Twitch highlights is basically on your Twitch channel you get to post a video, or you get to clip one of your you get to either keep a clip of yours or maybe your last stream as a highlight, which either garnered a lot of views or garnered a lot of positive feedback. But if you're live streaming, such as for example, if you go to Shazam's page right now, as you can see, this stream pops up, right? Because he's live. That's the highlight right now. This is the highlight for Shazam because he's live. If you go to Prod's channel, who is offline right now, this is his highlight. As you can see, this was done 9 days ago. He was streaming yesterday, but it still popped up but still the highlight is from 9 days ago. So the highlight is basically whatever you choose. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell as well. Bye bye.